DIY DIY, we're going to show you how to remake your fridge in minutes. The first step of this project is to clear off your fridge and then wipe it down with a damp cloth. The only supplies you need for this project are 1 to 2 rolls of new wallpaper depending on the size of your fridge, a cutting tool, and a smoothing tool. You can buy both of these in a kit on our website. So this is just a craft knife with an adjustable blade, and then this is the smoothing tool that we've developed to help adhere new wallpaper to whatever surface you're using. This is the area that I have the least access to, so I'm going to move this way outwards. I'm just going to peel off a little bit of the backing and work my way down. So I've come to the divide between the freezer door and the fridge door. I'm just going to go straight over this and we'll cut it afterwards. That way our pattern will match seamlessly from top to bottom. I'm going to wrap this around the edge of the fridge and we'll get a clean continuation of the pattern from the front to the side. So I covered over the handles and now I'm just going to cut them out so that we have access. Now I'm going to move on to the side of the fridge. We are done. I think the fridge looks amazing. It looks a million times better than it did before. This is a great project if your fridge is dirty or old but it still works, or if you're in a rental, or you just want to add some pizzazz to your kitchen without totally redoing everything. This project is really easy, really quick, and it totally transforms your fridge.